Good day everyone, I'm Kenzel and I have here 5 problems and we're going to find out its current ratio. The formula of current ratio is current ratio equals to current assets divide current liabilities. Before to proceed to our problems, what is current ratio first? The current ratio is a liquidity ratio that measures a company's ability to pay short-term obligation or those due within 1 year. So, how do you know if a current ratio good or bad? To put it generally, investors and business owners would tend to consider a ratio between 1.2 to 1 and 2 to 1 to be the sign of a financially healthy company. Here's problem number 1. Kenzie Company has cash worth 50,000 plus 100,000 in accounts receivable. Its present-day liabilities of accounts payable stands at 100,000. What is company's current ratio? Solution. Current assets divide current liabilities. 150,000 kasi naging 50,000 plus 100, so naging 150,000 siya, divides 100,000 na current liabilities is equals to 1.5. So the company's current ratio is 1.5. Problem number 2. On July 14, 2016, the balance sheet of Michael's company shows the total current assets of 1.1 million and the total current liabilities of 400,000. You are required to compute current ratio of the company. Solution. Current assets divide current liabilities. 1.1 million divide 400,000 is equals to 2.75. So, the current ratio is 2.75, which means the company's current assets are 2.75 times more than its current liability. Problem number 3. The following data has been extracted from the financial statements of two companies, Company A and Company B. Do both the companies have equal ability to pay its short-term obligations? Solutions. Current assets divide current liabilities. So, saan nakuha yung 350,000? Diyan sa table na nasa gilid, ipagpa-plus niyo lang yung cash, accounts receivable, prepaid expenses, and inventory. Then, total niya is 350,000, same as sa Company B. So, parehas din sila ng current liabilities, which is 175,000. So, 350,000 divide 175,000 is equals to 2. The answer to this question is a no, because Company B is likely to have difficulties in paying short-term obligations. Most of its current assets consist of inventory, which might not be quickly convertible into cash. Problem number 4. In its Q4 2022 fiscal results, Golden Packing Corporation reported total current assets of 135 billion, slightly higher than its total current assets at the end of the last fiscal year of 134 billion. However, the company's liability composition significantly changed from 2021 to 2022. At the 2022, the company reported 154 billion of current liabilities, almost 29 billion greater than current liabilities from the prior period. Get the current ratio of 2021 to 2022. Solution of 2021. Current assets divide current liabilities. 134 billion divide 125 billion. So, nakuha yung 125 billion kasi yung 2022 current liabilities is 154. Then, sabi sa problem, nagtaas siya ng 29 billion compared last year. So, 154 divide 29 billion is equals to 125. So, 134 billion divide 125 billion is equals to 1.72. That's its current ratio. This means that if all current liabilities of Golden Packs were immediately due, the company could pay all of its bills without leveraging long-term assets. Solution at the end of 2022. Current assets divide current liabilities. 135 billion divide 154 billion is equals to 0.88. At the end of 2022, it was a slightly different story. Golden Packs' current ratio was 0.88. This means that Golden Pax technically did not have enough current assets on hand to pay all of its short-term bills. Problem number 5. If the total of current assets of a company is worth 150 million and the total current liabilities is worth 60 million, then what is the current ratio? Solution. Current assets divide current liabilities. 150 million divided 60 million is equals to 2.5. So the current ratio is 2.5. A ratio of 2.1 or higher is considered satisfactory for most of the companies, but analysts should be careful while interpreting it. That's all. Thank you.